All right, guys, so I put power into this thing, batteries, and I set the probe here. So, and here goes the batteries I set up here. You've seen these batteries before. Okay, they're all from battery hookup. I think you can able to pick up the number right there. So I have it on 48 volts. So you already eliminate. It's the AC part. So let's turn this breaker. I got a probes underneath there. And get it into AC 240.9 volt. So if we take the black, if you want to wire it in 240, it's already wired already. So on that breaker. So if we want to go 120, we touch on the negative, on the neutral bus bar, it gives us the 120. Here is going to give us the 240. There you go. So the machine is working. The only thing I didn't see working here at the moment, I don't know, maybe everything goes through Outback optic array. Well, I was trying to use the Ethernet port here and come to my Mate 3S. It doesn't power on for some reason. I think I gotta go through here first on the back of this guy. I connected the Ethernet right here, so the internet comes in, and this one goes to the hub, this other one right here. I think that will lead up that guy right there, and we're gonna start our own business. So let's see how things works.